Michaela, and you are watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, I look a little bit different. I am here to share with you how I created this Halloween makeup tutorial, Halloween makeup look, using the products that were in my 2021 limited edition Walmart beauty box. I thought it'd be so fun, put together an entire look using the products that were in that box, since they included such a wide variety of products. A really simple, easy Halloween makeup look that you can put together. I'll have all the products linked down below. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and it feels so good to be back doing them, and I hope you enjoy them as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Alright, so a few things I want to start off by saying about my face is I have not broken out this bad in a long time. As you can see here, my skin is struggling. There's a lot of different factors. I have not been taking as good care of my skin lately, but the biggest factor is I've had a ton of stress in my life. You guys have no idea. There's a ton of stress in my life. So you guys will hear about that in future videos, but for now, just take note that that's why I look like this. And then this is not acne. I got bit by a mosquito in the middle of the night, and for some reason whenever I get bit by mosquitoes on my face, it's always on my chin and it gets really big, so I don't know. But anyways, it's my face update, so let's get into this tutorial now. I will let you know when I use a product that was in my Walmart beauty box, but that won't be until pretty much last in this tutorial because it's mostly eye and lip products that were included in the box, so you won't see that till the end. So until that time, just assume like it's my regular products unless stated otherwise. But again, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long with all my health crisis going on. I don't really know what my regular products are, so you'll learn some of those today. Some of them are still the same, but some of them are new. This is an oldie but goodie. I've repurchased it since then, obviously. But this is the NYX Voice Base Primer Spray, so this is the primer that I use, and I'm of course going to start off with this, and then I'm actually going to state my foundation right away because I put it on like immediately after I spray the primer so that I can do it while it's still damp. So I'm just going to share the foundation that I've been using right now so I can like quickly do the primer and foundation back to back. This is the Catrice Cosmetics True Skin Hydrating Foundation. I'll be doing other videos talking about this product, but I absolutely love it. So again, this is by Catrice Cosmetics, another brand you don't hear a lot about. I received this in a PR package. Catrice Cosmetics and Essence Cosmetics sent out like a package together, and I'm on the Essence Cosmetics PR list, so that's how I got this. And then the other day I just received a package from Catrice Cosmetics, so I guess I'm on both PR lists now, which is really exciting, and I've been obsessed with this foundation. It's really great coverage. It's very buildable. It can be as light or as heavy as you want it, and I just love how light it feels. I never realized my previous foundation how heavy it was. So I know that's a lot of chatter in a makeup tutorial, but I just wanted to share how much I've been loving this recently because it's a brand, well, a brand and a product in general that you don't hear a lot about. So as I do those back to back, I wanted to share that right away so that I could put it on while it's still damp. So let's go ahead and finally get some makeup on my face. Next, I'm going to apply powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. You all know I love this powder. It is one of my favorites. I don't know if I mentioned, but I use the translucent powder. They have a bunch of different shades, but I just love me a good old classic translucent powder. Been using concealer lately just because with that new foundation I feel like it's enough. It gives me enough coverage and it's just one less step in my routine. It just depends on the day, honestly. Like I said, lately I just haven't needed it, so I tend to skip that step. Next I'm going to apply bronzer, and this is the Bahama Mama by The Balm Cosmetic. Convinced I will never get rid of this product till the end of time, and yes, you can scream at me in the comments. I know that it expired, but I'm using it anyways because it's just bronzer and it's not a liquid product. Yes, I know, but I don't want all this product to go to waste. And it's weird because bronzer is one of those products that I wear every time I wear makeup, so you'd think I'd use it up quickly, but if you want a bronzer that lasts you forever and a day, this is the one. Any bronzer from The Balm will last you until the end of time, I'm convinced. They don't actually last you till the end of time, so don't come at me for false advertising. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, and this is from a brand that no longer exists, which is so weird because this was like the OG brand back in the day, at least so I'm told. At least I didn't actually try any of their products until like a year or two ago. Probably 2 years ago now, because I think it's almost been a year since they've shut down. But this is Coastal Scents. So this is the step 1 eye primer. Coastal Scents shut down, filed for bankruptcy. I'm not really sure, but they no longer exist, and that's just mind-blowing to me since it was such an iconic brand. But I still have some of this product, so I'm still using it to use it up. But again, eye primer is one of those products that I wear every time I wear makeup, so thankfully I don't have much of this left. Next, I'm going to do my brows, and I love my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's a staple for me, and just absolutely one of my all-time favorite makeup products. Then next, I just quickly do this, just apply some brow gel. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. Today I feel like doing this. It's also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's just their regular brow gel. So now I think we are finally going to start getting into some of the products that were in my Walmart beauty box. I'm really excited. I'm also a little nervous, specifically for the eyeshadow, just because it's a lot different than what I normally do. But I'm excited also to branch out and create this look for you. So here we go. I feel like there's something I'm forgetting I want to use, but I think we're at the eyeshadow point already, which is crazy to me. This is the eyeshadow palette that was in the Halloween 2021 Walmart beauty box, and it's limited edition exclusive to the Walmart beauty box. This is by Profusion Cosmetics. They literally just call it the Halloween 2021 4-shade palette. See, it's shaped like a little coffin, and it's just got these 4 colors right here, all red, and then just like a neutral base colors. I'm nervous, especially with this bright red, but I definitely need like some kind of matte shade. And this is more of a color right here, and I need more of like a transition color, so I'm gonna have to use this bright red, and I'm very nervous. I don't want people coming to my channel thinking that I am like the next up-and-coming makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a makeup enthusiast. I think it's two very different things. I'm not the best at it, but I'm also not the worst at it. I'm just a typical girl that enjoys makeup, so no guarantees that this eyeshadow look won't turn out terrible. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll come back and share, kind of describe what my thought process was when I tried to put this together. This looks bad at all for never working with these kind of colors on an everyday basis. I think this is pretty decent. Alright, I did it. I did the eyeshadow. For not working with these kind of colors like ever, I think it turned out really, really well. Very out there for me. It's very different for me, but I think I did a pretty good job at blending all of the colors. I did end up using all of the colors. I wanted to use them all in this palette just because when I swatched them in the unboxing, I really liked the pigmentation of these shadows, and they were just really easy to blend and easy to work with, and so I think that's what made using these out there colors a lot easier for me, because they just were really high quality shadows and just blended really well, which is so important when working with colored eyeshadow, especially if you're like me and pretty much only work with neutrals on an everyday basis. Colored blendable eyeshadow is a must. But yeah, like I said, it's very, very different for me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have something nice to say, let me know in the comments what you think. I got the scariest part of the tutorial done for now. Well, not for now, like altogether. The scariest part for me was the eyeshadow, because I just wasn't sure how it was going to look, but I really, really like it. So now the rest of the tutorial will be smooth sailing. It didn't come with any type of mascaras, so I'm going to use my own. I do this off camera, as you know now, because when I first started doing makeup tutorials, I would try to do them on camera, and but I just make my face just looks weird when I put mascara on, and I feel like some gals can just do it so flawlessly, and then there's me and my eyes look all weird. I'm just I don't know. So I do it off camera. So I'm gonna start with my lash primer. This is a L'Oreal Voluminous base, and then I use this Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. I love these two together. They're really great for my lashes. Okay, so a never before seen moment is about to happen on FunsizedStyle, sort of. The next product I'm gonna use is a stamp eyeliner by Lottie London. This was another product that was in my Halloween Walmart beauty box. This is the Lottie London Starry Eyed Stamp Liner. So obviously, if you know, I'm not going to use the liner, but I am going to use this star stamp end and just kind of put it right here on each of my eyes. A little something cute, and get use out of this product. I've never done anything like this, so hopefully I don't mess it up, because I do like the eyeshadow and how that turned out, and I didn't think I would like it, so I don't want to mess it up now. I don't know if it looks like a star, but you can see it. I didn't do it close enough to my lash line. That's part of my problem. Too high up. A little unequal, but a little cute. And I also think it's because my eyelids are so small. I don't have a lot of room here. The stamp is kind of big. I felt like it should be even a bit smaller, but cute. It adds a little something that makes this look a little more. You're probably going to be confused why I'm doing this product next, because this is not the end of the tutorial, but I'm going to use this Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray, also in my Halloween Walmart beauty box, and the last two products I don't want to put on after the setting spray, and you'll see I'm going to set my makeup now, and again you'll see why in just a minute, but we're going to use this setting spray. There you go, there's the setting spray. Nothing too exciting or groundbreaking. The last two products I'm really excited about. I'm actually going to do my lip product very last. You would think I would do this product last, but I just think because it's a liquid lipstick, it's obviously very liquidy, and I don't want to accidentally smudge it while trying to put this on. So now this is what's really going to make the look. Halloween look. This is by Wet n Wild, the Fantasy Makers Gem Face Mask, and I like it because it has a guide, obviously, where to put everything. I probably won't use all the gems because my face is smaller, so the eye point is a lot longer than what I'll need. Obviously, I have unique circumstances, story of my life. I'm going to do a time lapse of me putting this on, and just because I don't know, as I go, how many I'll use. So, can't, just pick off the individual dots. Well, I guess you could take a pair of scissors and trim them and, separate them if you wanted, but they come off as, one strip, so I have to use them all, so hopefully it doesn't look too crazy on me. Okay, here's my verdict. I really, really like these. They're really pretty, but they're not sticky at all. I really wanted to put this big moon right here because, and the 3 stars on above right here, because that would, I think, really make the look. The moon had there's no sticky on the back whatsoever, and the rest of these that are left are not sticky at all. So if they were more sticky, they would be really, really pretty. But at least I was able to use some of them. But I really like these. These are really pretty and would just be fun for, obviously, a Halloween party. But yeah, there's what that Wet n Wild gem face mask look like. I just wish that they were more sticky so that you could have used all the stickers, because I think that would have really completed the look more, but it's really, really, really pretty. So for the last product in this entire Halloween makeup tutorial, this is by Referral, and this is the Color Stay Satin Ink, and this is in the shade My Own Boss. This was included in my Halloween Walmart beauty box. So it's just a really like bright, like bloody Halloween lip color. Here's the overall makeup look. It would have been even better if all these stickers were sticky from the Wet n Wild face mask, but I really like how everything looks, and it's something fun and something different. I'll go ahead and give you guys a final look. So that is the completed Halloween 2021 makeup look using the products that were in my limited edition Walmart Beauty Box Halloween 2021. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and a little something different here. I'll have all the products linked down below as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!